Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Mazda CX-5 into maintenance mode. This crucial procedure is specifically for servicing the rear brakes, allowing you to safely retract the electronic parking brake motors. Engaging this mode prevents potential damage to the system when you replace the brake pads, ensuring a smooth and correct repair process. It's a simple yet vital step for DIY brake jobs. Before starting, ensure your Mazda CX-5 is parked on a flat, stable surface. Turn off the engine completely and confirm the electronic parking brake is disengaged. It's also a good practice to close all doors and the trunk. These initial steps help ensure safety and proper system function throughout the maintenance mode activation process, preparing your vehicle for the next steps. To activate service mode, first turn the ignition on without starting the engine by pressing the start button twice. Next, press and hold the accelerator pedal all the way down. Simultaneously, press and hold the electronic parking brake switch down. While holding both, quickly press the engine start button 3 times. You will hear the motors retract, and the yellow parking brake light will flash, confirming activation. Once your brake service is complete, it's time to exit maintenance mode. Turn the ignition on again without starting the engine. Press and hold the accelerator pedal fully down. This time, pull and hold the electronic parking brake switch up. While holding both, quickly press the engine start button 3 times. You'll hear the motors engage and the parking brake light on your dash will turn off, indicating the process is complete.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.